Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Chatali Gupta and today we'll be doing a very interesting video. So we'll be comparing different kind of aloe vera gels which are available in the market. So as you know, aloe vera gels are really very helpful and very useful for your skin and for your hair, and they work wonder. Aloe vera gel works wonder. It's magic and it's just so good. So what I'll do today is that I'll just take different kind of aloe vera gels from the market and I'll just compare them, and these are all the gels, mind you, which I've been using since the longest of time. So I have used these gels for 3-4 months minimum. So I can give you a very genuine advice and I can give you a very genuine review, and I've tried to pick the gels from different price points. So let's just get started. Also, I'll be linking another video down below which will show you basically all the different ways in which you can use aloe vera gel. So let's just get started with the reviews. So the first gel is this Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel, and this is very affordable. So this is just for rupees 40 and it's 60 ml. So this is a really good gel if you ask me, and this was my initial aloe vera gel which came and this was also the first gel which came into the market. So I started using this initially. So it's a very good gel, and it gives you a very good glow to your skin. You can also use it on your hair, but the only problem I have with this particular aloe vera gel is that it contains parabens, which are again not very good for your skin. They can be a little harmful to your skin, and I personally prefer that the aloe vera gel I am using is 100% pure. So this is not a pure aloe vera gel if you ask me. So one way of recognizing if your aloe vera gel is pure or not is to see the color. So a pure aloe vera gel will always be transparent. If a gel is green in color, this means that it has added colors in it and it's not a pure gel. So the part that I hate about this is that it contains artificial ingredients. I prefer it to be 100% natural gel. Otherwise, all in all, it's a very good product if you ask me. And at that price point of rupees 40, it's amazing. Okay. So coming on to our next product. Again, another aloe vera gel from Baba Ramdev. So this is their Saundarya aloe vera gel, and it contains kesar and chandan, and this is 150 ml and it retails for rupees 100. So I did not particularly like this gel because I think that this one works better on my skin than this one. I don't know why. Although it contains kesar and chandan, which are supposed to be good for your skin, I don't think that this is as effective as this one. Again, it contains added colors and preservatives, so that's a minus. Also, I think that this one is can be used in multiple ways. So I can always use this gel for my hair also, but this can't be used for your hair. So if you use this for your hair, it will dry up your hair. It's only meant for your skin, and also for the skin, I don't think it wins on this one. This works better on my skin as compared to this one. Okay, so the next gel that we'll be seeing is this one from BioOrganic Indus. Okay, this is from Indus Valley BioOrganic Gel. So it's a very big tub which you get. It's of 175 ml, and again, as you can see, the gel is green in color. I mean, it has the slightest tinge of green to it. If you can pick that up on camera, I don't know if you can. So it says that it's 100% natural aloe vera gel, and it contains rose water as well. Rose water, honey, and a lot many things. And it's non-toxic. So it retails for 199 rupees. I have used this gel and I find it pretty good. It's a good gel, and you get a good amount for 200 rupees, which I think it's definitely worth the money. So I prefer this over Patanjali because it does not contain any parabens, and also it gives a better glow. And if you compare this with the Patanjali gel, this has a slightly thicker consistency. So I prefer that my aloe vera gel has a thick consistency, because when I put it on my face, it actually works as a mask for me. So I prefer this one as compared to this. Again, this can be used in multiple ways. You can always prepare a face pack with this one, a hair pack with this one. So yeah, I really like this one. It says that if you use this daily, all your blemishes will be gone and your skin will appear young, radiant, and healed. So a big thumbs up for this one. The next aloe vera gel that we have is this one from Aloe Vera, and again I have used quite a bit of it. As you can see, it retails for rupees, I guess it's 110. Yeah, it's 110. It retails for 110 rupees, 125 gram. So this gel again has some color in it, and it's I don't like these aloe vera gels having color to it. I want my aloe vera gel clear and without any artificial color. So again, but it does not contain any parabens, so that is a plus point. So it says that, oh my god, sorry, I slipped it. So it says that it contains green tea extracts and vitamin E. So it contains all the good ingredients, and it has these little bead-like structures. If you can see, if the camera can pick up. So it has a little white bead-like structures, and these are what this bottle claims are like vitamin E capsules and vitamin E beads. So when you actually apply it, kind of feels like a scrub. So this is a very nice gel. Also it contains, because it contains vitamin E and green tea, it works better on your pimples and makes the skin look more radiant. So if we compare these two gels, I obviously prefer this one because first of all, it gives my skin a kind of a scrubbing effect when I rub it at first. Then it contains some added added materials, which are really added ingredients, which are really great for my skin. So among these two, I prefer this one. The next gel that we have is this big jar of aloe vera, and I got this from Singapore. This is from a brand named Nature Republic, and this is 92%. This contains 92% aloe vera. So this is very similar to the face drops one, which contains 99%. So if you see this gel, this is 300 ml, a very big tub, and it may look green, but it is actually not green. It is a transparent gel. The color of it is a transparent gel. The color of the packaging is kind of green, so that is why it appears as green. So it is a big tub, and it has a very great consistency. So it is kind of a thick aloe vera gel, and if you apply it on your face, it gets it gets absorbed so quickly. I'll tell you, and it's just so nourishing for your skin, and I really feel that my skin actually glows after applying this. I am absolutely in love with this. It's such a big bottle of aloe vera gel. It's 100% natural, does not contain any parabens, and I am absolutely in love with this. And I just got this for 4 Singapore dollars, which is like 200 rupees. So that is a pretty cheap deal, if you ask me. I am absolutely in love with this. It's such a big jar with such an amazing quality and quantity of aloe vera gel. I am absolutely in love with this. If you guys want to check out a similar gel, I'll just link down the Face Shop's aloe vera gel down below. I think it retails for about 350, and I believe that it's better than this one also, because it contains 99% amount of aloe vera gel. So the next we have is from BFF Skincare. So this brand sent me this aloe vera gel as a PR package, and it contains a pump, and it says that it's aloe vera gel with tea tree oil. I have, and it retails for I think 200 rupees. I'm not sure. I'll put the price of this somewhere down here. So this did not work well for me. I applied it and caused a lot of irritation on my skin, and I had like the pimples or the acne I thought that they got more and more irritated. So a big thumbs down. Probably they've put in too much of tea tree oil, because too much of tea tree oil can also be very harmful for your skin. So this one gets a big thumbs down from me. And the last aloe vera gel we have is this one from Caffeine, and it retails for 549 rupees now, and it's a very small quantity. It's just 50 ml for 549 rupees. So it's a clear aloe vera gel, and it says that it contains nano silver, which silver is very good for your skin, caffeine, which is again very good for your skin, argan oil, vitamin E, cucumber, glycerine, and aloe vera gel. So I got this bottle because I thought that okay, it's expensive, but it's good for your skin, right? Because it contains so many good ingredients. But when I used it, I find that this is equivalent to any normal aloe vera gel, and I just spent so much amount for such a tiny bottle which does not deliver like a fraction of the promise. I am very, very disappointed with this brand because it claims that this is a miracle in a bottle, and it just does not work for me. I mean, although it does not contain parabens, I think that this 40 rupees tube gives me more benefit than this one. I applied this daily for a month during night as a mask. I used to apply a thick layer and massage it all over my skin, and I noticed some difference, but it was not worth 549 rupees. I could have easily bought this one and applied it on all night to my skin for a month, and I would have got even better results. So this is definitely not worth the money. So that was all about it. I have given a review of almost every aloe vera gel that I've used till date. So if we give rankings to all the aloe vera gels, the first one will obviously be this one. I am absolutely in love with this. Then the second one will be the Aloe Vera gel, which is there. The third one will be why am I holding it like this? So the third one will be BioOrganic. The fourth one will be this one. It's great. It contains paraben, but it's still great at the price which it is being sold at. The fifth one will be this one. The sixth one will be this one, and the seventh is this because it sucks. Okay, so that is about it. Thank you for watching my video. I know it has been a long video, but you still stuck with me, and thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.